Boom, it's like that. Bitcoin went down, just like I said in the last video. Hope you watched it. Hope you did. I hope you got into a short. That was an excellent call for me. I know some of you out there probably like in the comment section saying, yeah, I'm going to go long now that he's saying short. And see, you got burned, right? Yes, sometimes I get it wrong, but this time I got it right. That's the way it is, right? You cannot trade without losses. Do not expect anyone to say to you that I will trade when 100% correct all the time. If they do, they're lying to you. They're going to cheat you. So anybody who comments, oh yeah, he's a sucky trader, he's horrible, right? To anyone, not just me. Don't listen to them. Just mark their stupid comment down. All right, thank you. And don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you watch all the way to the end because man, I'm gonna show you the next possible trade. Yes, and show you, of course, what we did in the last trade from yesterday. So let's just stay tuned and watch this video all the way to an end. Again, once again, watch it all the way to the end because you're gonna miss out. And thank you for being here. Okay, so let's get on to the TA. Okay. Yesterday, I told you that, hey, you know what? Bitcoin loves to do a stop run. So anything above, the 1740-ish level, all the way up to the 17.1-ish level, that's where you would start adding your short. If you want, you could add the shorts right at the 17.1 and boom, there it is. Boom, like that. So if you took profits, that's good. If not, and you decided to only take half and started to let the rest run, we'll talk about whether or not you want to continue this trade. Now, with that said, congratulations for those who did take this trade. Thank you very much for being patient, understanding that I can't always get it right, but this time I did, and there it is. So next, let's talk about the next trade. You can see, let's go over to because we're in the 15-minute time frame, right? Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame and let's take a look at that on the 4-hour levels. Now, it looks like we've tried to break above the 13 EMA and failed. This looks more like a bear flag than anything else. So further drop is most likely to occur. Not guaranteed, of course. We could end up, coming back all the way back up to the $17,000 mark. But that's the most likely. We have to deal with the most likely scenario, not what could happen, right? We can't deal with that. We have to trade what's most likely, right? And accept that anything can happen. And once we do, we know that, hey, you know what? Not to risk too much money in the market, right? Once we do make a trade. Okay, so let's head down to the hourly. You can see that, yes, this could turn into a bar because it's not quite a clear flag, right? Or pennant or anything. We're not gonna for sure take a trade on this just yet, but let's just look at the lower time frame, see if there's anything we can possibly do in order to get us in a nice trade. Again, right, you can see Bitcoin again will probably do another stop run here if it does, if it decides to go lower. So the basic thing for you to do is to enter, if you want to trade this, you enter above, right above, oops, sorry, this candles, this little wick there at the 16,889, right? That's where you would enter because it's probably going to be another stop run before it breaks down. So basically, you could do the same thing. You could take a short position. If you already have your short position open, leave your current short position open. Take the risk all the way to the what's it called, the target that you had, right? So that if you were 50% off or whatever, if you held it, right, just take it to the target. If it comes up to your target, then you'll walk away. right? And then so you're always in a profit. So with this one, again, you want to do a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio before you with these big screens, with the screen making it really large with large fonts, right? It's really difficult, but hey, we'll get it done. There we go, 2-to-1. But I did the large font so that you guys who are watching on a cell phone, you could actually see the numbers there. And see, there's a 2-to-1. You can see it. You guys can see that. Hopefully, you can see that on the cell phone. If you can't, just leave me a comment in the description. I'll see what I can do to make this thing bigger for you. But hopefully, this is big enough for you guys to watch on the cell phone. Okay. So yeah, there's your profit. Take profit. Should we? This be a bar? You wanna be able to take your stop loss and walk away. This is an easy one, right? To walk away from. So there you go. Not too much losses, right? Only 0.53%. Come on. So, yeah, you could probably do like 50x on this or something like that, 25x on this, easy, with a small amount of money, and then see where this thing takes you. To make sure you don't, if you do lose, right, you're only going to lose a small amount, right, of that of the amount that you do go 25 to 50x on. So it's really easy target. This is an easy one to actually do a high leverage bet on. And yeah, most likely we could see Bitcoin as low as the 16 test of 364 dollars before we reverse. So that's where we're at with Bitcoin. Moving over to Ethereum. Before we move over to Ethereum, right? Make sure you head over to mmc.davincij15.com. Check it out. It's a FOREX bot that I could also trade Bitcoin as well. And you can see people have made some tremendous gains using this. And if you're interested in this, you can do so as well. Now, if you ask them, you can ask them to set your, look at that. That guy got crushed. See, when you take a big risk, right? That's just the way it is. You can take a big risk and lose, right? So this guy did a big risk, and that's a problem with taking big risks with the bots. You want to slow and steady wins the race all the time, right? And there it is, right? So be careful when you decide what risk profile you want to take on the bot, right? Make sure you take the nice and low, slow and steady growth, right? Not some high growth risk, because it could end up like that real fast. Okay. Next is Ethereum. Ethereum, again, sorry about that. I did say that it didn't do stop runs, but it did a stop run anyways, and hopefully you held it, because it dumped down, and we've got a little bit more to go. We bounced off of the last support. Most likely we're going to continue down, right? This is a triple top. This is clear the breakdown. And you can see this is a big M. So most likely, and we broke the bottom here. Whether you call this an M, wherever you draw the M, right? Because it's everywhere on this thing, right? If you want to call this the M, and this is the bottom here, right? Or you do this one, and that's the bottom right down here. This target's going all the way to the 11,000. 11,000, no, sorry, not 11,000. I always do that. $1,193 level. So, or probably did a little bit lower. So, yeah, you can see that this has got breakdown potential, because we've broken all the different levels, the key levels for this to indicate that we're breaking down. You can see this is a clear bear flag that, this is forming, and there it is. It's a real easy trade on this one, right? So you can wait for the stop run or short it from here, right? Not a bad choice. That's totally up to you, and that's Ethereum for you. Now, I've got Eunice. I don't know if you know who Eunice is. She's on Twitter. She's on Instagram. She does trades all the time in alts, and she's now in my group. So if you are interested in learning, picking up some trades, easy trades on the alts, and make quick money on the altcoins, and put that into Bitcoin, head over to my Telegram group, my personal Telegram group, and sign up today. It's really cheap right now because I haven't changed the prices, but I will be changing the prices. We'll be raising prices really soon. So make sure you head over there and sign up today. Okay. Alrighty, and there you go. And then you could join my personal Telegram group. Alrighty, well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I will be doing another video tomorrow, and it's going to be interesting. We're going to be showing how we might be near a bottom. We might be actually at a bottom, and how we can tell that this is the bottom of the Bitcoin bloodbath. I really think that we might have a little bit more to go down, but not much, and so you might want to watch the next episode. Thank you for watching today's episode, and looking forward to see you guys tomorrow with another win, right, on your trades. Cheers, people.